Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you an overview of the process, the simple process, the 60-second process of how to replace the battery in this type of key fob, if you got one, and the type of battery that you need. And if you don't have the official keychain that goes along with this vehicle, I'm gonna share with you how to get that as well. So these are a CR2032 and they fit in these just perfectly. So you gotta make sure you take your key fob off to do this. The reason is I'm gonna share with you just in a sec. You'll get a situation going on right here where it won't work. So on the back right here, you're gonna see there's a little switch and you're going to slide that over. You can see your fingernail, and then you're gonna want to slide down. So you're gonna push this down and then slide this piece this way. So it's gonna do something like this. It's gonna look like that, okay? Just slides out. Now, if you have your key fob on there, your keychain, little keychain thing, it will not work, as you can see right there. It'll bind right there. Then all you do is you leave your key in there. This is a little trick. Leave the key in there, and to get some leverage, now you just press up, and then what will happen is it will expose the battery. Battery comes up, there it is. It's just, it's spring loaded in there. Make sure the positive side's up, swap out, put your new battery. You can see there's a little bit of a hinge. You put this in there underneath, pull the key out just a little bit, snap it in place, put it back, and you are good to go. Put your keychain, your official keychain, back on, and you are good to go. Hopefully that helps, and we'll talk to you soon.